In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the Seaside Market here in Cookie Run Kingdom. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. The Seaside Market is by far one of the best places to trade resources, so upgrading it's going to help you get rare items a lot faster. The very first thing you need to do is have your Cookie Castle upgraded to level 8. If your castle isn't high enough yet, focus on meeting those requirements first because the market upgrade won't even show up until then. After that, you are going to need to clear out quite a bit of space around the Seaside Market, specifically expand south towards the harbor edge. Clearing this space is not only going to unlock a path, but it's also going to allow the upgrade option for the market to become available. Just make sure you got enough axes, saws, and pickaxes saved up for clearing land. And we're also going to need to talk about the upgrade cost real quick, just because for this final upgrade, you'll need 3 Aurora pillars, 3 Aurora bricks, 3 Aurora compasses, and a big chunk of coins. It costs a total of 100,000 coins. And on top of that, these Aurora materials can take a while to craft, so start them early in the smithy and workshop to avoid those delays. But once you have collected all the required items and cleared the area, just click on the Seaside Market and the upgrade button is going to become available. Tap it, confirm, and that market's going to begin upgrading. And when it's complete, you'll be able to trade more efficiently and get access to even better rewards. But that's it. You can now upgrade the Seaside Market here in Cookie Run Kingdom. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tutorials like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.